Blessings everyone, this is Chris Kennel from the RawAdvantage.com, registered holistic nutritionist, raw food lifestyle coach, and raw chef. Today we're going to get into a very simple, classic watermelon gazpacho. Let's get into it.
Yeah, I like it raw. Raw Advantage likes it raw. Ooh, baby, I like it raw. Yeah, baby, I like it raw. Hey.
Alright, so this is a really simple raw recipe, such as the ones you'd find in my books, 101 frickin' rawsome recipes, or 50 more frickin' rawsome recipes. Simple, well food combined, hygienic, raw recipes. Now, there's many reasons why you might want to increase the percentage of simple meals into your diet. There's many different ways you could do this. I'm just going to share my favorite ratios, and what you're going to need to start is 1, a 5 to 6 pound watermelon, and 2, 1.5 pounds of your favorite tomatoes. Now, I prefer cherry, but you can use any tomatoes you like. On top of that, you're just going to need a decent blender. I highly recommend the Vitamix blender for its power, the tamper, and its ability to create the smoothest dressings and sauces. Speaking of sauces, it's all about the sauce. Learn more in my 2 ebooks, Naturally Rawsome Sauces and Naturally Rawsome Dressings. Now, enough of the shenanigans and shamelessness. Let's get into that recipe. Take your watermelon and preferably with a karate chop and in a split it in half. Magically, the other side disappears. Using your knife, score the watermelon and then use a spoon so you can scoop out about 1/3 of the entire watermelon into little cubes. Set aside in a bowl. Scoop the rest of the watermelon out and place into your Vitamix blender. Reserve about 1/3 of the tomatoes, chop those into a nice dice, mix the diced tomatoes and the diced watermelon, and then blend the rest of the tomatoes with the watermelon until it's nice and smooth. If you like, you can slice a little bit off the bottom just to make sure that it sits easily on a table, or into 2 to 3 medium-sized bowls to share with other people. Distribute the chunks of the watermelon and the tomatoes into the watermelon half or into the bowls and pour the tomato watermelon gazpacho broth over top. Voila, it's all done and ready to serve. Now, this simple raw recipe makes a great meal by itself, or also is a great way to start a dinner salad or a dinner meal of any kind. Really fun and light, nice for a warm summer day or for any time you just want a little bit of a sweet, savory kick and a lot of hydration. Yay! I hope you absolutely love this recipe. Again, if you want more simple, hygienic, low-fat, well food combined raw recipes, check out my 101 and 50 more frickin' rawsome recipes. And if you want something a little bit more fancy, check out my low-fat raw gourmet recipe books, all in the shop link above. As always, if you like this video, like it. Share it with others that you think might enjoy it. Subscribe, comment below, let me know what you want more of. And as always, wishing you much peace, love, and seasonal fruit.
Yeah.
Ali, get out of the picture. Ali, this is a gazpacho, not Timmy soup video. Ali.
Watermelon gazpacho. A sweet and hydrating summer treat.
Ooh, if you want more raw recipes, check my raw recipes playlist in the top left, video just for you in the top right, subscribe in the bottom right, and get 3 free ebooks in the bottom left. Grab my free iPhone app, comes with 50 free recipes, common fruit and vegetable calorie breakdown, a food combining chart, shopping cart function, and much, much more.